So if you would like to make yourself comfortable again, close your eyes. You might like to lie down if that feels right for you. And just take some time now to be transported into your heart and into a relationship with the living world. So close your eyes and allow yourself to focus on the present moment. Breathe deeply and slowly. Feel a fresh breeze flow effortlessly through every cell in your being, taking all your worries, all your thoughts with it. Relax within this deep inner silence. Next, rest your attention on your heart center and on the energy flowing through your heart. And bring beautiful emotions, gratitude, joy, compassion, unconditional love to your heart center. Just really bask in those really beautiful qualities and feelings. And imagine your heart energy now stretching several feet beyond your body in all directions, top, bottom, front, sides and back. And this energy is lighting everything that it touches. And just stay with this experience, knowing that this web of light is pure, creative life force. And it connects you with all life forms. It unites with everything material and physical, everything in the more than human world. And sense or feel, visualize or intend the kind of tingle throughout your body as this web of light energy combines with your surroundings, glowing brighter with each subject that it touches. Feel the loving intention and interconnectedness that this light offers you. Just keep breathing in and out of your heart, breathing yourself out to the world, breathing the world back into your heart in a beautiful, dynamic, reciprocal relationship. Being with the light, being with this beautiful, loving energy. And now in your imagination, wherever that makes sense for you, direct your consciousness and your imaginative vision to a bird flying across the sky. This is the same bird that comes to visit your home every day. And you see her land near to you. And look at this beautiful bird as if you were a child seeing this bird for the first time. Feel your heart center opening to the beauty of nature and to the earth that holds you beneath your feet. And introduce yourself and ask this beautiful creature if you can merge with her life force energy. whisper gently to her that you come from a place of love. You come from your heart. And you whisper to her about your love for all of life and for the earth herself. And you can sense the bird's enthusiastic invitation to connect with you too. And you feel your heart energy and light energy unite with the bird's creative life force. And feel love and gratitude grow within you as you touch each other in this really special relationship. And just stay with these images or visions, whatever it is that's arising for you. Just see or feel or hear yourself living in this beautiful, sacred moment, participating in this relationship with your bird. This bird who has merged with you in such a special way. And use your deep inner senses to see and hear or visualize every single detail. Study the way the bird's feet touch lightly on the ground or the tree branch. Observe her neatly folded wings. See the clear brightness and intelligence in her eyes. Appreciate the numerous multicolored feathers that sparkle in the sunlight like jewels. You may wish to take your hand gently across this beautiful bird's back and feel her soft, silky feathers. And perhaps enjoy her beautiful voice as she sings her song. Perhaps you can see the musical notes as they are carried with the wind along this web of light that you have created between you. You can even smell her feathers and smell her deep honey-like scent. Imagine her lifeblood flowing through her body, knowing that the lifeblood that flows through her body is the lifeblood that flows through yours too. And as you watch the bird, she is also watching and touching you in reciprocation. And what is this beautiful bird receiving from you? And take a deep breath of the clean, fresh air that nature so graciously gives us in every single moment. Listen to all the sounds of nature that come from this loving state of being, expanding your awareness perhaps to other birds singing, the rustling of the wind through the trees. Just experience yourself filling with joy at this relationship that you are cultivating with the world and the love that you are receiving from your special relationship with the bird. Just step further and further into this vision. And as you're moving with this vision, just allow now, give away the possibility of your imaginal inner world to guide you, to take you, to create this vision, this emerging vision. You don't need to force or try to direct the events. Just flow now with the imagination with the world as it takes your hand. See the energy and love that fuels creation. Experience the powerful energy of unconditional love. Hear the bird's voice call to you, inviting you deeper and deeper into a relationship. Keep aware of your inner feelings and images, listening deeper and deeper to the language of your soul, to the language of the werewolf soul, to the language of the bird's soul. Becoming aware of sensations or feelings or whispers of an inner sense of knowing. What is this beautiful bird and the world itself saying to you? What are they implying? What are they longing for you to know that they can't put into words? Listen to all aspects. In your heart center, empathize, open up, receive them. Let them know that you are fully present in their reality, that you are here with them. You may want to ask this beautiful bird if there's anything that you can do to help the earth at this time, or anything that the bird wants you to know, and just wait for a response in whatever way that makes sense for you. Remember to keep your heart center open, your light energy connected. When you feel ready, give thanks to this beautiful bird and to all of nature and to the earth herself for having come so beautifully in relationship with you today. And with your intention now, from your heart space, just gently disconnect your web of energy from the bird. Just move your attention away from this beautiful being. And set your intention to come back to the space within which you find yourself in the present moment, in this now moment. But returning with a new sense of interconnection to all of life on earth. Just taking some gentle time to transition back to ordinary time and space. And just taking some deep breaths again in and out of your heart space, giving thanks for the experience, asking your attention to return to the present moment, to the now moment. And also just having the intention to bring back with you the gifts of that connection. to remember those wonderful gifts and treasures that you were given on this journey. And then when you're ready, just come back to the room and open your eyes.